karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade knife. Okay, so guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you I paid about 60 American dollars for it. I got it from Target. Now let us open it and take it out. Okay, here is the knife, and here is the sheath, and here is the fire starter which comes with this knife. So guys, the overall length of this knife is about 10 inches, and the overall blade length of this knife is little less than 5 inches, and half of the blade is serrated. Okay, and the blade, just I took it out of the box, I can feel the blade is very sharp. So guys, the blade material for this knife is high carbon stainless steel, which is very good for the outdoors. Okay, and the rubber handle material of this knife is rubber. Okay, so which gives a very good comfortable anti-slip grip. Okay, and if you look at the base of the handle, you see it comes with this steel pommel. Okay, so which can be used as a hammer in case of emergencies. Okay, and this knife handle also has this paracord with integrated whistle, which you can use for emergencies. Okay, so guys, and it comes with this fire starter, and you can see the non-sharp edge of the knife here. So it has this edge for to be used with fire starter. Let us see it. So you can see the fire starter in action. Okay, so other than this, so guys, in this sheath, so this sheath has integrated knife sharpener also. Okay, so you can sharpen the knife and you don't need to carry any extra tool for that purpose. So guys, that's all for today, and before we end this video, we would like to see how much sharp the blade is. So I have some paper, and here's the blade. So let us see. Okay, so it gives a very clean cut. You can see that. See, the cut is very clean. So guys, soon we will take it outdoors and we will do a detailed review of it. So guys, that's all for today. So guys, this was Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade Survival Knife. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.